Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SFTP for secure file transfer to VPS step by step clearly. To register for SFTP access to your VPS, start by choosing an SFTP client. Popular options include FileZilla, WinSCP, and CyberDuck. Download and install your chosen client on your computer. Next, gather necessary information about your VPS. You will need the hostname or IP address of your VPS. Ensure you have your username and password for the VPS. Open your SFTP client after the installation. Locate the option to create a new connection. Enter your VPS hostname or IP address in the designated field. Input your username in the next field. Next, input your password securely. Make sure to set the port to 22, which is the default for SFTP. If your SFTP client has an option for the protocol, select SFTP. Now, look for a button to connect or quick connect. Click on that button to initiate the connection to your VPS. You may encounter a security alert regarding the server's authenticity. Verify that the fingerprint matches the one provided by your VPS host. If everything checks out, proceed to trust the connection. Once connected, you will see the files and directories on your VPS. You can now transfer files securely between your local machine and your VPS. To upload a file, drag and drop it into the desired directory on your VPS. To download a file, simply drag it from your VPS to your local computer. Regularly check and maintain your connection settings for security. Always log out of your SFTP session when not in use to ensure security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.